guys, today's a good day. Carburetor, excuse me, came in for $1 lower. So let's get this puppy on. Let's get this thing running. Let's get this thing clean, I hope. And most importantly, sold. So let's get this out of here. See, look, this is. I wonder if we can't salvage this gasket. It's not the end of the world. It's just to hold the intake in. If it's sucking in air from other places, your machine's just going to be just fine. So I'm just using my knife, and I'm just working it around. Shouldn't be having this. You always want to have the blade away from you. Boy Scouts taught me that. Cub Scouts. And that's that. Alright, we're free. So, let's see. Do you guys have it? Yes, you do. So this we'll just save for last. A new carburetor. Yep. This was a little finicky to put on. I'm trying to remember. Yes, because the adjustments, that's what sucks about these carburetors, that your adjustments are like buried, but I guess they put them on these twisty stuff. See how it's slotted on the inside? Twisties aren't. I guess that's just their way of getting around it, because they know they stuffed it and actually in a really shitty spot. So we're just gonna work this carburetor in somehow, some way. It's a pain in the ass to get in here. That is no truth. I mean, that is no lie. Stick my in your way. Probably in your way. And I'm turning this. So let's slide this in here. Actually, you know what? I'm putting it in the wrong hole. That's why. Dummy. Alright, so listen, I'm sliding in the top first. And then I'm trying to get in the bottom. That's not working either. What the hell? This is like 5 pounds of stuff crammed in a 10-pound bag. Here we go, we're in. Of course, the linkage is being held up. See that? Look how tight that is. You know what it feels like I'm working on right now? It feels like I'm working on a minivan. Or a van of any sort. It's kind of why I gave up automotive work. Because they just cram in more stuff in the same bay. They think about the mechanic even less of the technician. So diesel is a little bit more open. But they're going the same way too. Alright, we're in. Alright. So I thought I hit the record button. But I slid it on, and I got my needle nose, and the way I took it off, tweaked it, I got it back in. Very sorry about that. Your gasket, if you guys remember when we took this off with our knife away from us, gasket has no holes in it. So it doesn't matter which way it goes, you're not blocking anything. And we're just going to put a carburetor cover on here again. And let's tighten this thing down. I wonder. It's just like crazy, not enough threads on here. Alright, so if memory serves me correct, it's 5/16. Yep, 5/16. Yay. I zip this down, and the rest of the outfit. That's that. And it sucks is that you have to put the recoil back together. What just overly complicated, crappy design. And I really mean this from the bottom of my heart. We take the recoil off. Replace the carburetor. Because that goes there. I think. Let's see. No, right there. I'm gonna be mad if this doesn't retract. Come on, pal. Alright, so recoil goes on here. Yes. Yeah, so that's gripping. I think this should be. Yep, T25. So I'm putting on shroud cover screws. Just like to make them, I guess, tight. Not tight, but get them started. And then from there, you can move the shroud around to fit as you like. Am I missing the screw? Fuck. Missing the screw. Damn it. I can get an extra one. That's not cool. Because I don't like taking things apart and leaving them apart. I'll probably find it in my toolbox. But let's keep this video going. One screw is not going to make a difference. So how many pulls do you think it's going to take to start? 2, 3? Definitely not starting on the first pull. Alright, so we prime this thing again. This is... I should have took this off to see which one is true. F screw. Down. Let's see what happens. Oh wait, this thing has to be. What the hell? Stupid. This is the echo all over again. I'm gonna throw this thing right in the garbage. This is echo aggravating. What the hell is going on? Don't tell me why this is not recoiling. It should recoil right now. Hell. See? This is what's happening with the echo. There's no way this is on right. Look at that. See that? Well, now that it's gripping, let's try this again. Some track lube in here. You notice how this wasn't giving me an issue. I really hate to admit that. Until I took it apart. Hope you guys realize that, right? We were really cranking on this thing with no issues. Oh, there we go. There we go. that sounds good. Squeeze the throttle. Let's see if we can get some more power out of this by adjusting the... No, it's pretty good, right? Let's take a look at this. Uh-oh. You gotta do some carb tweaking. See, as I held it down, it bogged down all of a sudden. So these, it's a high screw. It's labeled H. So we're gonna get a flathead and we're gonna adjust that. This guy's got some power for it. For a little handheld bastard. I'm surprised. I think you guys should be too. Moving stuff. I really am surprised. Let's see if we can get it to rev higher all the time. Check this out. Look at my Japanese maple. Moving. That's crazy. How many feet this is? You guys probably can feel the wind. 1, 2. Wow, I'm impressed. So that was 13 steps at 1.5 feet. Golly. Now the only thing we have. All right, so probably found out the culprit of why this thing was left for dead and abandoned. See this here, this choke lever here? It drifts way too easy. And this plastic piece is supposed to stop that from happening. So I made this super tight. It's tight as it could be. And it's still drifting. So I don't know what else to do besides heat up some plastic and see if we could bend it. Because I tried bending it, you know, the proper way. Well, I don't know, maybe. Well, I don't know if I should maybe notch this so it sits, you know, further back. Because choke is choke, you know. Here I am, just, I don't. We can't rectify this. We really can't sell this. It's like a really. See how that just like, just when the machine's running, right? This just bounces around. But this is like I can't. This needs to stay here. And this base is as tight as it could be. So let's see. Choke down, throttle gauge. Let's see if this thing runs and skips. We're running out of time. Alright, you know what? I guess that's it for now. I am going to, I guess, hold off on saying that this is fixed because I want to give it 24 hours and let's see how it really performs in a cold start situation and see if this throttle holds tension. But in the meantime, I'm going to clean this up. Sorry to bother you guys. I'm a little bamboozled today. Check out the Greenworks pressure washer, putting in work. Look at that. Dirty, nasty. Alright? Remember, clean your shit. So hopefully tomorrow, if it sits at 24 hours, we can get this thing running as good as it looks. And most importantly, get it sold. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Well, there's no episode. It's too early, man. I worked a 20-hour day yesterday. So I'm on like 6 hours of sleep. Today is my only day off. So we got a lot of stuff to do. I really don't have a choice. This is not like another episode. Hopefully this is the end of the Stihl BG55. Remember we left off that I wanted it to have a true cold start to see if this thing is ready for sale or effing garbage. This video, I know a lot of my 2-cycle videos have been pretty smooth sailing. This one has been nothing but a pain in my you-know-what. And this is one of the reasons why I hate 2-cycle. Just the constant pulling. And hold on, I gotta show off my outside light. Alright, so let's check and see how we go. Really, why am I playing this thing? I put this. There's no way I got it. You can't. Lower that. I'll put it in the back. No. I'll put it in the back door. Maybe I did. Did I leave it outside? Yeah. Oh, look. Here it is. I actually left it outside. So anyway, not looking perfect the way I wanted it to, but I still didn't want to invest a lot of resources. We got the white back, Now I'm going to shine this up if this thing runs, and hopefully we could capture that orange. So let's see with this cold start. I forgot which way is choke already. I should mark this so I don't look like an idiot when I sell it. Alright, so choke lever down to me is choke. So let's prime and pray at the same time. Switch down, which means it's on. Wait, choke. Now you have to do choke off. Alright, so as you guys see, it revs high and then comes back a little bit down. So there's still a little tweaking left to do in the carburetor to like maximize its power. But if you guys see me looking, I can still blow my Japanese maple tree from here and over there. So I'm done. I'm done. No more. It runs, blows. The new owner, if they want to tweak with the settings, that's on them. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. So let's get this thing, you know, tuned up, shined up, and we can call it a day. And what I noticed is, did you guys see this? I didn't even realize. This model, in particular, is the leaf vac. Look. See that? See that? Your tubes go here, and you heighten them in, add the bag, and you're good to go. But we are not going to do that. We are not going to invest in that system. We are going to sell it as is. You know, we are in the green. Remember, this is $1. You pay $10 for everything. And I sold the Ryobi Weed Whacker for $80. It's already in the green, including everything, all the parts we lay out for everything, carburetors, blower tubes. Oh, that's right. I have to do a video on the last thing with the blower tubes for a different machine. The Echo. We don't have to do anything to the Echo. I had a blower tube left over from another machine. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna put a nice coat on this. And we'll see what happens, alright? Alright guys, just got done putting a shine on this. You can see we brought back the orange to life. Not bad for like an overall investment of like $10 plus some time. We will be in the green. And, you know what? I'm just going to put this thing up for $100, just like the Echo. It's got some power to it, for sure. Definitely more power than the Echo. And it's a Stihl 27, I think, 0.2 cc engine. If I remember correctly. Does it say on here? Nope. No idea. Alright, man. So this is officially a wrap. I'm going to cut this off so that's sloppy. You won't have that hanging out. So anyway, man, if you guys found this video helpful, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance, which will be the final episode of the $10 scrap menu. Oh no, I'm a liar. It's not, because I still have that lawnmower from him that I need to salvage the motor and stuff from. We will take care of that though. So this will be the third to last, because I have the backpack blower and then that. Ugh. So anyway, man, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I'm still sick. I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.